Hey there guys, it's Corn of Cornstar19 and welcome back, and I'm not dead. So this video is just me clearing out my makeup, and you'll be surprised how much makeup I have, considering by the way I look. I don't look like somebody who wears a whole lot of makeup in general. Let's go! So these 3 bags contain my makeup. This is the train case I use when I have clients. I used to do freelance makeup on the side before. So let's start with this one. So I got this case from a Christmas bazaar at DavCon. So let's see what's inside. Here we have the stuff. And as you can see, it's a lot. So on this tier, I have most of the face stuff. This is a Shiseido baby powder. I use this to set foundation. It's just a white powder and it looks like this. I barely made a dent on it. It's supposed to be for babies. It's like baby powder in pressed form. I really didn't have much use for this. Next, this is the cheapest primer I can buy in store. I prefer to buy my makeup stuff for my freelance kit in store because it's on hand. I don't have to wait for it and I can test it right then and there. This is a really old tube of the baby skin primer. I'm getting rid of this because it's old as, well, not as old as me, but a bit older than my nephew. So this is a really old tube of the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is old, so I'm gonna toss it out. This is the next one that I'm gonna be tossing out because this is almost a 2-year-old bottle of the L'Oreal True Match Liquid Foundation. I would buy this again for myself if I need a liquid foundation, but at the moment I don't. This is going bye-bye. Now for this one, this is the Maybelline Fit Me. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what's with the orange packaging tape, it's so that I know that it's for the kit and not for me. You need to separate your personal stash from your freelance stash because that's just how I make things sanitary and not cross-contaminate. This is a fairly new tube. It doesn't have a expiry indicator. I might keep it for a while. Friends, relatives, any of them with darker skin would ask me to do their makeup, so at least I have a foundation for them just in case. So I'm keeping that. This is just a refill for the all-in-one cake powder foundation thing. It's cheaper than the ones in the compact, so I buy this instead of the actual compact. And it's still fairly good. I sanitize it by drenching it in alcohol, so this is still okay. So I believe I already cleared this out. These are the palettes that I'm keeping. So this is just the Maybelline Nudes palette. I got this. I used this for a shoot one time with the Barbie dolls. And Nina used this on me in one of our videos. I'm gonna put a link on it in the description below, and on this video some iCards right in this corner right here. Like the pressed powder foundation, I sanitize my palettes by drenching them in alcohol and leaving them out to dry. Those are the 2 palettes that I'm keeping. In my logic, powder products last forever just as long as you sanitize them with alcohol. 70% alcohol. This is just a bag of my tools, my disposables like sponges, mascara wands, eyeliner wands. So these haven't been used yet, so they're still staying. Now this is a sample that my sister gave me. It says 19 here, so I can still use this for up to 2019. This is a lip balm, the Vaseline Lip Therapy Lip Balm. I can never tell if these things are still okay because they don't have expiry date indicators on them. But I believe this is already old, so again I'm tossing this out. I have this Nichido lip liner. As you see, this is the only lip liner here. This works for every color of lipstick I have. I don't see the point in buying extremely expensive disposable makeup like lip liners and mascaras. They go bad quickly, they get consumed quickly, That's why I don't see the point in buying expensive ones. Kiko Milano. I haven't used this yet, but I am pretty sure I need to toss it out. These are almost 2 years old. I need to toss these out because I don't use them on anyone else and I don't use them on myself, so they're going out. Typical lip kit that I made myself from the lipsticks I used to have and thrown away. They're clean. I sanitize them by, again, drenching them in alcohol and letting them dry. That's how you clean these things. I need to toss brow gel, eyeliner, mascara. They're all old. This is another thing that my sister gave me. It's a brow pomade by Mix. I don't use this even on other people, so I'm tossing this away. These are the Maybelline Color Show blushes. I don't know. Oh, there's an expiry date. Good. So they expire around 2019 still, so they're still good. This doesn't have an expiry date, but I know this is so old, so I'm gonna toss this out too. This is the Etude House Face Corset. It's supposed to be a contour powder, but it's more like a bronzer since it's more orange. I'm gonna keep this. I use this for the eyebrows. This is the Nichido Pencil Mineral Precise Eye Pencil in Hazelnut. I like this for the eyebrows because it's not the red brown thing, it's more on the gray brown thing. It looks more natural than the reds. So I'm still gonna keep this. This is the Nichido, the OG Nichido Cake Foundation, where you need to wet it to use it. It's in the mint green color. I use this on Halloween on my Joker costume. I sanitize this with alcohol also. And that's it for my freelance kit. I don't know if I'll continue to do freelancing. I'm putting that on hold for a while, but I still like doing other people's makeup. Next we have this Muji makeup bag. This contains most of my personal stuff. Inside this bag is another bag. Let's see what I have in here. Throw everything onto the ground. Well, I'm on my bed, not the ground. Here we have a newer tube of the Baby Skin Pore Eraser. I'm gonna be keeping this since this is a newer tube. The BLK lipstick that I bought and made a review of. This, I recently uploaded a video of the Vice Cosmetic matte lipstick. I don't know what is it with people and mattes. Get over the matte trend already. I prefer hydrating lipsticks than matte. I have my own Nichido lip liner and it's in a red one because I prefer to wear red lipstick when I do wear red lipstick or makeup in general. This I have yet to make a review of. It's the BYS Correct and Conceal palette. It's in the works, guys. I'm making a review video of this. And here we have My Lips But Better color. This is the Maybelline matte lipstick in Touch of Spice. Here I have the Maybelline all-in-one cake foundation. I still like this because it's so handy to have. See, it's so small, you can travel with it, and it has a mirror, as I stated in my review. It's so handy to carry around in your purse. This is the foundation I've been using as of recent. It's in a matte formula, and I don't like matte formula foundations as well. So I mixed this with moisturizer to make it a tinted moisturizer, and it works well. It works fine. I believe I made a review of this also, so I'll link it here. So I'm not throwing any of these out because I'm still using them. So the next bag is this Skinny Mint makeup bag. I'm keeping the lashes. So I made a review of this contour kit from Etude House. Its expiry date is still on the 2019, so this is still usable. I sanitize all my products after I have a gig. This is a lighter concealer. It's lighter than the first one I tossed out. I don't use it, so I'm tossing it out. This is the rest of the inside. I'm pretty sure there are more on tools. I have two eyeshadow palettes here, which is the Sleek Au Naturel one. I made a review out of this. You guys are not strangers to the Blush Nudes palette from Maybelline. This one's from Japan, and I'm keeping this because I actually like the colors more than the Maybelline Nudes palette. In here, this is a fake Urban Decay case, but in here I keep all the disposables, the eyeliner ones, and more mascara ones. That's it. That's all of the stuff inside my makeup bags, and I'm not tossing out a lot. Collectively, these are all the things I'm tossing out of my kit. It's not a lot, and I'm throwing them all away. I'm not giving anybody used makeup because that's a big no-no. It's unsanitary, it's unsafe for other people. Don't be afraid to toss out old makeup. Teach yourself more self-control when you buy makeup. Otherwise, you'll just be wasting money on stuff that you don't even use on the regular. That's the moral of the story. So additional things that I'm tossing out. These are from my personal kit. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline and the Brow Mascara from Maybelline. I like this because it does a great job defining your eyebrows without going the extra mile and drawing them on. And I really like this mascara because of its wand. I saw this first from Claire Marshall's video. She liked this mascara too because of the wand. I'm gonna link her because I wish to be noticed by her. Notice me, senpai Claire! My pathetic attempt to be noticed by my YouTube senpais. But these two are really old and I have not used them for so long. They're going bye-bye. Hi there, so I noticed that I didn't properly say goodbye to you guys, so that's my makeup that I'm gonna throw away because I haven't been wearing makeup a lot lately because my work doesn't require me to do so. Subscribe or not, it's a free country. This is now a proper goodbye. Bye!